Get ready to have your mind absolutely blown. Because eggs, those humble little ovals sitting in your fridge, are basically tiny nutrition bombs just waiting to supercharge your health. Most people see eggs as just a breakfast staple, but there's so much more to them than meets the eye. Whether you like them scrambled, poached, boiled, or sunny side up, eggs are packed with a powerhouse of nutrients that can benefit your body in ways you probably never imagined. So let's take a deep dive into the world of eggs and uncover why these little wonders deserve a spot on your plate every single day. Are you ready to crack open 7 absolutely insane health benefits of eggs? Trust me, by the end of this, you'll be looking at your morning omelet in a whole new light. Let's get started. Benefit number 1. Eggs are total protein powerhouses. Did you know that just one large egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality complete protein? That's right. This isn't just any protein, but the kind your body can use most efficiently to build and repair muscle, support your immune system, and keep you feeling strong. Whether you're an athlete, a busy parent, or just someone who wants to stay healthy, starting your day with eggs can help you meet your protein needs without breaking a sweat. Plus, the protein in eggs is so high quality that it's actually used as the gold standard for measuring protein in other foods. So, if you're looking to build muscle, recover from workouts, or just stay energized throughout the day, eggs are your go-to. But that's just the beginning. Second, eggs are loaded with choline, a brain-boosting nutrient that most people don't even get enough of. Choline is essential for building cell membranes and producing neurotransmitters that help your brain communicate. In fact, choline is especially important for pregnant women, as it supports healthy brain development in babies. But even if you're not expecting, getting enough choline can help sharpen your memory, improve your focus, and keep your mind sharp as you age. And guess what? Eggs are one of the best natural sources of choline out there. Just one egg yolk contains about 147 milligrams of choline, making it an easy and delicious way to support your brain health every day. Moving on to benefit number 3. Eggs are packed with eye-loving antioxidants, like lutein and zeaxanthin. These powerful nutrients are found in the yolk and act like tiny bodyguards for your vision, helping to protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reducing your risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. If you spend a lot of time staring at screens or just want to keep your eyes healthy as you get older, adding eggs to your diet is a smart move. And the best part? The antioxidants in eggs are more easily absorbed by your body than those found in many vegetables, so you get maximum benefit with every bite. Think of eggs as your personal bodyguards for your vision, always on duty, always protecting. It's like giving your eyes a little extra armor every morning. Now, let's talk about benefit number 4. Eggs help you feel full longer. Ever notice how a breakfast with eggs keeps you satisfied way past lunchtime? That's because the combination of protein and healthy fats in eggs helps slow down digestion and keeps hunger at bay. Studies have shown that people who eat eggs for breakfast tend to eat fewer calories throughout the day, making it easier to manage your weight and avoid those pesky snack attacks. So if you're trying to lose weight or just want to avoid the mid-morning munchies, eggs are your secret weapon. That means fewer snack attacks, more stable energy, and easier weight control. Imagine breezing through your day without constantly reaching for chips or cookies. Eggs can help make that a reality. On to benefit number 5. Eggs are one of the few foods that naturally contain vitamin D, which is super important for strong bones, healthy teeth, and a robust immune system. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, keeping your bones dense and reducing your risk of fractures as you age. Since most people don't get enough sunlight and vitamin D is rare in foods, eating eggs is a simple way to boost your intake and support your overall health. Just another reason to love those sunny yolks. Benefit number 6. Eggs can actually raise your good cholesterol, also known as HDL. For years, eggs got a bad rap for their cholesterol content, but research now shows that eating eggs can increase your HDL levels, which is linked to a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. In fact, for most people, eating eggs doesn't raise bad cholesterol at all. So not only are eggs safe for your heart, they might even help protect it. Yup, you heard that right. Eating eggs can actually be heart smart. It's time to let go of the old myths and embrace eggs as part of a healthy, balanced diet. And finally, benefit number 7. Eggs are super affordable and crazy easy to cook. Whether you're a gourmet chef or a college student on a tight budget, eggs are one of the most versatile and cost-effective foods you can buy. You can boil them, fry them, scramble them, bake them, or even poach them. The possibilities are endless. Plus, they cook up in minutes, making them perfect for busy mornings or quick meals any time of day. Health food that doesn't break the bank? Yes, please. With eggs, you get top-notch nutrition without spending a fortune. It's no wonder eggs are a staple in kitchens all around the world. So, the next time you crack an egg, remember, you're not just making breakfast. You're making a choice to fuel your body with a legit superfood that supports your muscles, your brain, your eyes, your bones, your heart, and your wallet. Eggs are truly one of nature's most perfect foods, and they fit into almost any diet or lifestyle. Whether you're keto, paleo, vegetarian, or just trying to eat healthier, eggs have got your back. So go ahead. Enjoy your eggs with pride, knowing you're giving your body the nutrients it craves. From breakfast to dinner and every snack in between, eggs are the ultimate superfood that keeps on giving. Next time you're at the store, grab an extra dozen. You'll be glad you did.